Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set your calendar public so anyone can subscribe to a read-only version of the calendar on the iPhone 12 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, we're going to tap on the calendar app. In calendar, you want to tap on the calendars button at the bottom, and then tap on the information next to the calendar that you would like to make public. So say if you want to allow this calendar to be public, you tap on the information button, then you go down to the bottom and tap on public calendar. Once you have turned it on, it is now public and anyone can subscribe to your read-only version. And if you tap on the share link button, you can see this is the link of the public calendar and people will be able to subscribe to it. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.